Hello everyone, this is Thandring from Siliguri, West Bengal. I had purchased this Brother V3 special edition embroidery machine from Bazaar 91 6 months back. Now I have been operating the machine almost regularly for 6 months and it is still running very smoothly. Whenever I face any technical issue, I never face a problem because the people at Bazaar 91 are very easy to reach out to, and they always respond on time. I came across their YouTube videos when I was looking for dealers of embroidery machines. I was looking to buy an embroidery machine, and I got into contact with their staff at Bazaar 91, and I was skeptical at first to spend such a huge amount online, but their staff made sure that I was shown all the paperwork and the machine through video call, and they showed me their office and the machines and everything before I made the payment. So my experience and business with Bazaar 91 has been very great since the day of purchase, and I would give Bazaar 91 an easy 5 stars. Thank you.